Welcome back to the Bronco Nation, your place for all things Bronco. Today we're going to be installing the BroncBuster Shock Skid on our Badlands Bronco. The BroncBuster Rear Shock Skid gives protection to the rear shock mount so that the shock doesn't get hung up on a rock when you're out on the trail. This project should only take around 30 minutes to complete, and these are the tools you'll need to finish the job. First, jack up the Bronco from the lower link bracket at the rear of the Bronco. Jack up the Bronco until the rear tire is almost off the ground but still touching. At this point, we placed an additional jack stand under the axle of the Bronco for safety. Then, take a 27mm socket and loosen the lower shock bolt and remove it. Then install the shock skid with the big hole facing the back of the vehicle. Slide the lower shock bolt through the large hole in the shock skid and back through the lower shock mount and get the nut started. Then, take the provided 9/16 bolt, washers, and nylon nut and install them into the front smaller hole and tighten down till it's snug. Then tighten down the lower shock mount bolt and repeat the process on the other side. So that's it. Super easy install, but it's a great addition to have on your Bronco when you're taking it out on the trail. We'll put links in the description below where you can pick up a set if you want to put these on your Bronco. And remember, Bronco Nation members get exclusive pricing at the Bronco Nation store. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to stick around. We're going to be doing more install videos with this Bronco, getting it ready for the trail.